In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an EVAP purge solenoid on a Honda CR-V. It is located in the engine area. You have to remove your air filter housing and your air filter snorkel tube. By doing that, take a pair of pliers, squeeze this connector, and this line pulls off. Remove your connector. Onto your lower clamp at your throttle body, which is a 5.5 millimeter. Loosen that clamp. Then up to the top clamp, same thing, 5.5 millimeter. Loosen that. Pull your tube off your air cleaner box, and then off your throttle body. Put that off to the side. Then you want to remove your wiring clips. Come underneath it, squeeze, pull up. Same thing back here. Push your tab down. Then you can pull out. Like that. Unplug your mass airflow sensor by pushing down and pulling straight out. Put your wire off to the side. Now you have your air filter cover, which is these clamps. Push down. Then you have one clip back here. You just want to push it off to the side, like that. Now you can remove your lid, slide it off to the left and out. Remove your air filter. Now you can take your 10 millimeter bolt out here. Put that off to the side. Now you have your lower air filter housing, which is held down by two rubber mounts here. All you want to do is lift this straight up and pop those out. There are your two rubber mounts. After removing your lower air cleaner box, this is your EVAP purge solenoid. You need to remove these two 10 millimeter bolts for this bracket so you can unplug it. Just lift up on your bracket a little bit. You're going to get to your plug right here. Just push your tab and pull straight up and out. After you unplugged it, you want to remove these two hoses here and here. They just come straight out. That, and that one goes in the back direction. Like that. After removing the two hoses, you need to remove this 10 millimeter bolt here that holds the bracket. And then you have another 10 millimeter bolt that's on the back side. So here's your valve. On the bottom side of that valve, there's a 10 millimeter bolt that holds this bracket to the block. Pull straight up and out, and there's your valve. Now it's time to transfer your new purge sensor onto its bracket. These are two 8 millimeter bolts. Old sensor off. New sensor on. Just want to snug these 8 millimeter bolts. You don't want to over tighten those. Now let's get ready to install it on the vehicle. Before you reinstall this purge sensor with the bracket, I notice it has a cutout here for the bolt. So what you can do is take your bolt on your bottom bracket hole down here and start it. And that'll save you a little bit of time trying to install the bolt with the bracket in the way. Now just take your bracket, slide it down, slide the bracket over the bolt, install your top bolt. Now you can just snug those two bolts. Take your back hose, slide it over the tube. Take your front hose, do the same. Pull up on your bracket, install your connector, wait for the click. Now you can install your two top 10 millimeter bolts for this top bracket. Tighten those. Now you can install your bottom part of your air cleaner box. To put your lower part of your air filter housing on, you have your two rubber mounts here. Those go right here. Put it onto your air snorkel, then push down until it locks in. Once that's locked down, you have your 10mm bolt you need to put back in. That bolt gets torqued down to 7 foot-pounds. Then you have your air filter. Slide it, push it down, make sure it's seated. Before you install your top part of your air filter box, you have your 3 clips. Just make sure those are out of the way and not underneath the lid. Take your lid, slide in to your right and down. Clip your 3 clips. Make sure it's secure. Now you have your mass airflow sensor plug. Clip that in there. This clips onto the box. Wait for the click. Take your air inlet tube, put your clamp on first. Slide it over your throttle body. Take your clamp, spread your clamp, put your pipe on. Now install it onto the box. And tighten your clamps. Just make sure your connections are good, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.